बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट। मैं मोहम्मद अशरफ सुमरो, आपका मैथ्स टीचर। ये हमारी मैथ्स की क्लास है एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर मैथ्स लेसन एंड दिस इज फॉर पाकिस्तानी सूफी आईएएस स्टूडेंट्स फॉर लेवल क्लासेस G1, B1 and B3. Okay, now we start the topic. Our topic is solving simultaneous equation. Solving simultaneous linear equation. First of all, we should know that what is linear equation. What is linear equation? Linear means in which the power of the unknown variable is x. Like we can write y that's equal to 2x plus 3. In this case, the value of the variable x that's equal to 1. So this is called the linear equation. This is a very simple example of the linear. Okay. Now we start the lesson. Okay. To solve the linear equations, we have three methods. Basically, we will discuss here two methods. One is the elimination method. Second one is the substitution method. And then we use these two methods to solve the word problem. Or you can say that the story problem. Okay. Here we discuss the elimination method. First, we will discuss the elimination method. What is the elimination method? Solving a pair of simultaneous equations. This is the technique. We will solve it. Equation through the elimination or substitution. Basically, these are the two methods which we will use. This is elimination method one, and other is substitution method. Substitution method. But here we will discuss only the elimination method. This is the elimination method. Okay. And henceforth able to solve problem containing simultaneous equation to find the unknown. We will do some word problem to solve these questions in which we use the elimination method or some other method, okay, to solve the equation. Okay. Now, coming to next. Elimination method. Okay. So, step to solve using elimination method, we have to follow all these steps. Which are the steps? First step, from one of the unknown of the two equations, make an identical terms. Like if we have a question involving x and y, and we want to eliminate, let's say x, then we want to equal the coefficient of the x identical. Okay, then we will eliminate the variable x. Again, eliminate this unknown by adding or subtracting the two equations and solve it. We will see that whether if the two variables have the same sign, let's say plus and plus, then we will change the sign of the other variable to subtract them. Substitute the value into any one of the equations to solve for the other unknown. So these are the three steps you have to follow that, and we will discuss it in the next working example, and it will be clear. It will clear your concepts. Look at this example. We have to solve these two examples. One is this 3x minus 4y. Okay. This is the example. 4x minus 3y. This one. Okay. जो ये red circle में है. And second one is this. Look at in this case 3x minus 4y, that's equal to 11, and 7x minus 5 is equal to 14. So we will follow these three steps which we have done in our previous page. We want to equate one variable, whether you can equal x or you can equal y. Suppose if you want to equal y, then we will make -4 and -5 equal. How can we make them equal? So the -4 and -5, if we multiply the first equation with 5, we will get -20 here. And if we multiply the second equation with -4, then we get -20 here. So both the values are same, then 20 and 20 will be cancelled each other. So this is the simple way. Now, okay. Now let me start the question. Look at this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we want to eliminate y. How can we eliminate? So we multiply this equation 1 with 5. Multiply with 5 and equation 2 with multiply 4. Look at when this is multiply with 5, question, this will be example 3. So it will become, and next, what are we doing? We are doing that subtracting 3 from 4. Subtracting 3 from 4. So this is equation 4. When we multiply equation 2 with 4, it will be 28x minus 20y and 16. And when equation 1 is multiplied by 5, we get 15, -20y, and 11 will multiply 5, we get 55. So look at this is equation 1, the left hand side of equation 1 minus equation 2. This is equation 2. Look at when we put a sign minus here, so it will become minus plus 25. So and here we have 16 minus 55. So look at -20y plus 20y will be cancel each other. Now we have 28 minus 15. It will be 13x, and 16 minus 15, 39. So 13x is equal to -39 and x is equal to -3. This is our one value. Okay. Now again, we are coming to the third steps by substituting the value of the x anyone in the equation. Whether you can put in 1, you can put in 2. Suppose if we put x is equal to -3 in 1, we have 3 into x, 3 into -3, -4y is equal to 11. This is the step 3. And we have -9, -4y is equal to 11, or 4y that's equal to -20, and y is equal to -5. Now this is your solution set. So we have the value of x is equal to -3 and y is equal to -5. So it means we revise the lesson. Suppose first step is that this is the first step. Make an identical term like y or y equal. Step 2 is that eliminate the identical term. Identical term will be eliminated. And step 3 is use answer to solve the equations. Now this is the way to solve the simultaneous equation by using the elimination method. Is it clear? Okay, next we go to the next example. This is the example B. Example B, and we will do it on the same pattern. This is example B, equation 1 and equation 2. In this case, we want to eliminate x. So we will multiply equation 1 with 3. This is equation 1. It is multiplied with 3. And equation 2, it is multiplied with 2. Look at. When we multiply 3 with equation 1, it will be 6, 9, and 15. And when equation 2 is multiplied with 2, we have 6, -4, and 28. Now subtracting 3 from 4. 3 from 4. Okay. 3 from 4. How can we subtract 3 from 4? Or 4 from 3, doesn't matter. 4 from 3, doesn't matter. We change the sign, negative, positive, and again negative. We write here 4 from 3. So you can write here equation 4 from 3. This is equation 4. Okay. From 3. I think this is better. 4 from 3. Yes. So 13y, that's equal to, look at, x will be cancelled with x. Now we have 13y, that's equal to -13. And y is equal to -1. Okay. So this is our solution. Now coming to the next step, substitute this y in any one of the equation. You can put this one in 1, you can put this in 1, 2. Like we are putting y is equal to -1 into 1. So we have 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y. The value of the y is -1. That's equal to 5. 2x, it will be -3. And when -3 is transferred to the other side, the right hand side, it will become +3. So +5, +3, it becomes 8. So 2x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 4. So this is our solution set. Yani x is equal to 4 and y is equal to -1. Okay, these are the two examples, and I think these two examples will help you people to solve the equations, simultaneous equations. And by solving these questions, you can use your textbook, or you can use past paper book, which we are already using in our class, or you can do the questions from any other book, doesn't matter. But I am giving you some question to help you people for the practice. Look at, these are some questions. These are some questions for practice. Solve the simultaneous equations and look at, these are the questions. This is first question, or A part, you can say that. Solve this question. This is B part. Solve this question. And this is C part. Solve this question. And this is D part. Okay. And this is E part. These are 5 questions. Do these questions. If you have any problem, then you can discuss it with me. I'm giving you my WhatsApp number. You have already my number. First of all, solve these questions. Take help from the previous lesson, which I'm giving you people, just to eliminate the equation. Look at, in this case, you want to eliminate x, then we will multiply equation 1 with 2 and equation 2 with 3. And students, keep one thing in your mind. This is x. Please don't be confused whether its sign is like multiplication, but this is x. This is x and this is y. So these are the 5 questions for your practice. And if you have any problem, then you can discuss it with me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now, okay. So we move forward. Now, for any problem, contact me on my WhatsApp number 0333-423-1946, Muhammad Ashraf Sumro. And please, while discussing your problem, just write down your name and class and school at Bistani Sufia. Thank you very much, students. Jazakallah. And God bless you. If you have any problem, you can discuss me easily. Thank you. Thank you very much.